This is my first day of school, so I need to wake up early. Then do the chores. And then here, YouTube again. 2 viewers and 2 shout out. What's the other one? Viewer. No. My one and only son have school. I cannot go to school because I am if I go to school I'm in college na, and college here is you need money. So um like I finished high school, that's all. Only high school. 3 viewers and 2 shout out guys. Thank you. What is the time in there? Rich. It's 10 p.m., right? 10 p.m. Do you still keep in touch with your classmates? Yes. But sadly, I am shy. In social media, we're 10:24. Yeah, I know. Hola, buenas noches. ¿Cómo estás, mi reina hermosa? Wow, thank you, Esteban Ramos. I know. I understand what are you talking. What are you talking, Esteban? What? Yeah. For viewers, I'm still talking to them in social media, but not in person because I am shy. I am introvert nga eh. Why are you angry, Rich? You understand what Esteban said? Hola, buenas noches. ¿Cómo estás? My reina hermosa. I understand that very much. Hello, Esteban. To viewers and to how are you guys? Why? Oh, angry then laughing. I need to make dried fish grilled like sugba, like oh, I don't know how to English the sinugba. Grilled. I don't have ulam. To viewers and to like shout out for how are you guys? Last night I kept my cell phone standby on live, but the signal is cut, the internet, so my live getting like loading, unloading. I don't know what happened. The internet here in our place is very slow, always. Hello to viewers and to like shout out.